Right, there's two more ways you can use it as well. So we've got this appointment page, and again, we might go back to it being a sales page for a certain thing. I'm going to get rid of that. But I'm going to say book an appointment. T's not working. Click the button below. Or whatever, again, you'd have it all fancy and nice. And then what this one is, so when you go back to the schedule, the booking button for the main page, this will be a button on your side that jumps out with the schedule. So again, if I go HTML, update, preview, now it's going to be a button. Not sure what kind of format it's going to look like. I guess there, look. So click the button below, it's next to it. Schedule an appointment, pop up. Pops up the schedule. So now you don't need a full page with the schedule. You might have a cool page and it just click schedule, right? And it pops it up. That's another option. The final option, and let me just get rid of that menu item, just because I don't want anybody to randomly bump into my website and think they can book an appointment with me. Final option is a actual bar across the page, right? So again, schedule, Acuity, and you can change this right in here when you copy the code. Learn more about the booking bar. So it's going to say Paul Nicholson Happy Meal Limited schedule appointment, right? And that is going to be schedule bar style blank blah blah blah. I'm not sure exactly how you change the code. It probably will tell you in that help. So what I'm going to do on this one is I'm going to go to, I've got a little plugin where I can insert code, header and footer. So I'm going to put it in my header code. So it's kind of the place where you would put your analytics, your Google Analytics or any other sort of tracking, your cookie information. And I'm going to paste that code in. Now, when you go to my website now, there's going to be a bar across the top that says Paul Nicholson Happy Meal Limited, schedule an appointment, right? Hit right at the top. So you would have to, it's just going to, if I go here, let's just go to a different site, a different browser where I'm logged out, you'll be able to see it. Here we go, Paul Nicholson Happy Meal Limited, schedule your appointment, and it pops up your appointment schedule. So again, really cool. So if you're a trainer, a coach, a place selling business, you can make this really a priority on your site. You can put a link here. You can do a sales page with a button or embed the whole thing. Really cool, really easy to use feature, isn't it? Let me go back and get rid of that again so it's not going to show. So really easy to do, to different options for getting people to your scheduling page without sending them to the scheduling page. I hope that makes sense, right?